Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash a thumbs up button. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, see what's going to happen there in the technicals, and I'm going to show you what trades I would open. You can learn everything here in the crypto master course. The link is down below. There's more than 6,500 students, and join us in the Telegram. 2,000 people in there in less than a week, and we're giving away a PlayStation 5. So if you join that Telegram within 1 week, we're going to give out a PlayStation 5. The link to the Telegram is down below. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. Right now, we've got a kind of, all coins are having, the stock market is pulling back a little bit in the red. All coins are kind of even. Bitcoin is holding this 20,000 area. What I would, if we go into the 4 hour, I would more likely short Bitcoin. Why? Because we have this big bear pennant playing out here. Everyone see this? We have a bear pennant, and I talked about this in the Telegram group. This is a free Telegram group. The link is in the description. This is a bear pennant. Bear pennants are continuation patterns, bearish variant, and you can see that's exactly what is happening with Bitcoin. We had this big drop. We had this build up of pressure inside the pennant, and most likely it will break to the downside, taking Bitcoin to the $12,000 area. Hopefully it doesn't play out that way. Hopefully Bitcoin can hold here, and what would need to break this bear pennant is Bitcoin would need to close above the pennant. So it would need to actually close above this $21,000 area, and it would need to do this. It would need to build pressure in this pennant, break out, test, and bounce with volume and head up, and then we would break out of this downward momentum. We would break out of this potential bear pennant that would take us to 12K. If that doesn't play out, what I would actually do if Bitcoin gets rejected strongly from this 20,650, I would short Bitcoin to take this movement, because now the way these pennants play out is they usually build up pressure, and 70% of the movement, so 70% of the distance, which is here, they will break to the base of the pennant, this distance here. So it would most likely break to the downside. If we get rejected off that 20,600 area, I would short it to take that short on Bitcoin to that the first target will be that $14,000 support. So hopefully that doesn't play out. And so the way you get the distance towards the 12K, I'll show you how you get distance. It's the bear pennant plays out to the pole, so the distance of the pole. So this distance here, from here to here, is the distance that Bitcoin would break to the downside. So that takes us to 12K. But then the symmetrical triangle that's playing out here, that builds up pressure like this and would break to the distance of the base of the triangle, this distance here. So that would give us another target on Bitcoin, this distance here, which would be taking us to around 14,000. That's why I would take profits at the 14,000. Most likely I would go short. On the 4 hourly, RSI is heading up, and Bitcoin isn't really heading up, so that's showing a bearish divergence. Stochastic is also heading up, quite overbought at the moment. Stochastic squeeze mob is going towards the green side, but quite overbought. So if, in my opinion, we're going to break to the downside here, I would actually go short on Bitcoin after it confirms the rejection here and comes down. I will go short here to target that 14,000 drop. If it breaks above, bounces, then I would be going long the distance of this symmetrical triangle. On the hourly, what's happening on the hourly? Stochastic is heading up, so we're going to get a short-term pump, most likely to 20,600. Stochastic is heading up. Squeeze mob is going towards the red side, so it's trying to push up. RSI is heading up, so most likely I think we'll get a pump to that 20,600 before the end of this little bullish run that we've had on Bitcoin. EMA ribbons, we're above the EMA ribbons on the hourly. We're above them on the 4 hourly. Very rarely does it hold above the EMA ribbons though, which is good that it's doing it now. Let's see. I think the crypto guru bot, interesting. On the 4 hourly, fire to buy. That's quite interesting. On the daily, it's still showing a sell. It hasn't a fire, but on the 4 hourly, it fire to buy. That's quite interesting. Let's see if it can actually push up. We're getting volume coming in. So on the hourly, I think that's going to be playing out the way I'm thinking. Targeting 20,600, then getting rejected, and then I will short Bitcoin down to that 14,000. On the 15 minutes, we're moving sideways. I'm not really seeing any major pattern here. Stochastic heading up. So again, this is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. This one here, and it's an amazing risk to reward ratio trade. It's risking, on this trade, I'm risking $400 to make $6,600. $400 risk to make 6,600, 16 ratio trade, which if you've been following my videos, you know that's an epic trade. 16 ratio trade means if you risk $1,000, you can make $16,000. So that risk to reward ratio trade is epic. So I would actually target to short Bitcoin on this short. I'm going to share this in the Telegram group as well. I'll share this this short, and I'm going to set this short. So over on Bybit, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description of the video, you can sign up. Where I do trades is on Bybit. So underneath this video, oops, they're frozen. Underneath the video, you can sign up to Bybit. Bybit trading. The link is in the description. They're Bitcoin and altcoin trading. Bybit. Sign up, you get that $4,450 deposit bonus. And I trade on Bybit. In here, I have $166,857. I've got USDT 88,000, Bitcoin 44,000, 2 Bitcoin, 2.2 Bitcoin. The rest is cash. I've got no active trades, and I'm going to set this short on Bitcoin. And I'm going to do a big short, like at least a 20. Let's do a 20x leverage short, because I think if Bitcoin does hit my target, it will most likely drop quite quickly. So my order price will open at 20,000. So I'm going to show you how to read the trade. So where I open the trade is this line here, 20,671. The stop loss is that red line above it, and the take profit is this line down here, the 14,000. So now I'm going to actually set this trade. So stop loss 21,000, take profit is 14,000. So opening the trade at 20,671. So 20,671, I'm going to do a $1,000 trade. I'm going to take profit. Take profit will be at 14,000, and the stop loss will be at 21,000. 14,000, stop loss at 21,000. So I'm risking $318 to make $6,454. Epic risk to reward ratio trade. I'm going to open that short, and this trade is now set. It's a 1 Bitcoin trade here, which is beautiful, but that trade will only execute at 20,671. Now hopefully this doesn't play out. Hopefully Bitcoin gets a strong bounce here and breaks through that 20,600, retests it and continues up, then we can be bullish. But if it breaks down here, it's very bad for Bitcoin. So again, it's very important this moment. If you want to trade, like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description, you sign up to Bybit. That will give you that trading software that I just used. And if you use this link down below, you get a $4,450 bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. Without that link, you only get a $400 bonus. Also, you can join us in this new Telegram live group. We now have inside the Telegram 2,000. We have in here 2,073 people in there now, which is growing so quickly. And don't forget, if you join here, I'm going to give away one PlayStation 5 in the next week, so make sure you join. These are some trades. For example, yesterday I showed this trade. I'm showing different trades in here, which is beautiful. Those are my trades. Again, trading on Bybit, that link down below. Also, we've got in here, I bless the day I joined your channel. Much love. You're really exceptional. Thank you very much. Ibrahim, looking forward to seeing your videos every day. Thank you, Ibrahim. And we're picking $200 winners all the time. Been following your channel since 2 years. Sorry. You are the GOAT, greatest of all time. Thank you, Ruslan. You saved me thousands of dollars calling tops. You're underrated. Thank you, Chris. This man is a legend. I'm impressed. Thank you, James. Purchase your crypto course, and I've made awesome gains since. Mainly Bitcoin. Beautiful. Congratulations, Craig. Also, you can join the crypto master course. The link is down below. You sign up. There's 6,500 students in there, which is epic. Those are my trades. I'm going to share that trade inside the Telegram. That's what I think is happening to Bitcoin. I hope you have an amazing day. Hit that subscribe button. Join 76,000 people. Smash up, thumbs up, and comment on every video. We're going to choose 5 winners every month, $200 each. And join that Telegram group. We're giving away a PlayStation 5. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.